Hi guys, happy Friday. Today I'm gonna show you a very simple yet effective app for building workplace culture by appreciating your colleagues, which in turn motivates them and also will build an awesome relationship. Let me show you a quick demo. So in this box you can search for your colleague, and as you see, the comments box and the above drop down got enabled. You will see all the names starting with David here in the drop down. You can select the name which you wish to select and type your comments here. Hi David, really want to appreciate your work you did on the last sprint. Alright, once this is done, you click on submit button. Once the submit button is clicked, David will receive an email like this with all the comments you have typed in the app. So this is how you can really appreciate your colleagues and build a good workplace culture. Let's dig in and see how this app is built. So as you guys see here, it's a single screen app. I have named that screen as appreciate your colleague. And there are 5 objects used in this app. The search box, which I have named as search colleague. The combo search, which I have hidden by writing a code there, and it's a drop down. Submit button, the comments box, which is again hidden. It's based on this search colleague text, and a header. Alright, let's first see what is happening in this search colleague text box. So move the default text from here. Okay, now in this combo search, what I am doing is I have made a connection, Office 365 users connection, which is searching the user in the Azure Active Directory, which is searching for this search term, search colleague text box. So as you see, I have named search colleague as the text box name. So I am doing search colleague.text and I'm displaying just the top 5 results. Alright, you can give any number of results here from 5 to 10 to 100, but just for the sake of simplicity, I have given just 5. Alright, now in this combo search box, if you see, I have given a display mode as edit, but visible, the visibility, if you see here, what I have given is if the search colleague text, the top text, if that is empty, then this visibility of this combo search box should be hidden, otherwise show it. So as you start typing in the top search box, the visibility will come back for this drop down as well as the comments box. So same context is written there. If you go to the visible, the same condition is written there as well. Alright, now I have used a background image just for making the app more pretty, and this is just the header, the label, which I have written appreciate a colleague. Just did some formatting, bold, and then choosing the color background as green. Okay, now let's go to the submit button. Before that, you see these objects are not in order, so it will be good Apart from naming conventions, if you follow the order as well, like header is the topmost, then comes the search colleague, then comes the combo box, and then comments, and then submit. So now let's see what is written in the submit button. So it is sending an email from Office 365 Outlook connector and searching the email or selecting the email from the combo search box. So whichever email you select here in the combo search box will passed in here, and this is the subject of the email: appreciation for awesome work. And here the body of the email, comments.txt. So the comments box is named as comments, and I am taking the text, all the text values from that comment box. Okay, and then this is an extra bit to this send email part, which will also show from which user you got this comment, from current user.email. So this is a user function which will fetch the current user who is using the app and his email ID. So in the from, you will see that user email, and once the submit button is clicked, so it will send an email with this format. After that, it will reset the search colleague, reset the combo search, and reset the comments, which means it will clear all the inputs in those box, and then you will again see the same screen which is now displayed. Alright, hope this simple app will help you building a good workplace culture in your organization, in your project, or you can further customize it to make it look more prettier or look it as per your standards of your organization. So let me know in the comments below if you like this app or if you have any further recommendations. Alright, thank you and see ya.